Right now, there are more than 13,000 students taking high school ag courses. That is an all-time high for the state, but there aren't enough teachers to fill the growing demand.
The Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture is doing its part to attract students who want to be ag teachers. In this segment, we learn more about the role NCTA plays in strengthening ag education in the state. Caitlyn Krout is from South Carolina. She's currently a freshman at the Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture in Curtis. Like most students on the campus, she has a background in FFA.
Last year, I was very fortunate. As a senior in high school, I served as a state officer for FFA for South Carolina. So it was really cool. I got to serve on committees and do different things within National Convention. And within National Convention, they have college fairs.
That's where she found out about NCTA. The school has lived up to her expectations.
The classes are very hands-on. You aren't spending all of your time in a textbook. I honestly didn't even buy any textbooks for this year because we're always doing something hands-on and we're learning and actually gaining knowledge and putting it into use in the field.
Caitlyn says she developed an interest in agriculture after moving to a rural area and getting involved with FFA.
It just sparked an interest in me.
And she's just the type of student NCTA leaders are looking for.
The majority of our students that come to NCTA are ag education students, FFA members across the state and from across the nation.
Larry Gossen is the dean at the college. He says FFA played a huge role in his life.
Well, I was a high school agriculture teacher for 24 years before I actually started working for the National FFA organization. So I've got FFA and ag education in my blood from as far back as I can remember.
Gossen says because of that, he has a deep desire to support the ag education program at NCTA.
So a student can come here for 2 years, get their AS degree, transfer directly to Lincoln to get that final bachelor's degree to be able to be certified to teach.
The college recently made the trip to the National FFA Convention to promote the hands-on approach at NCTA.
Students that are looking for a small campus with small classes, but all agriculture and all hands-on, we're the perfect place for them.
While the college is working to produce the next group of ag teachers for the state, the school is also working to make current ag teachers better.
We host an ag ed boot camp where we offer a full week of training on different subjects, from veterinary technician, vet science in the classroom, agronomy, ag mechanics.
The students at NCTA come from various backgrounds.
We're in a 220 to 250 range for total number of students this year. 28% of those students come from out of state, and we have 22 different states represented by students on campus this year.
Caitlyn Krout is already involved as a freshman.
We have a lot of programs here on campus, collegiate cattlemen's. We actually just went to a beef summit yesterday where we got to learn about marketing and genetics, which was very cool. So women in ag, we have a very great vet tech program, a collegiate FFA.
As a freshman, Caitlyn still has time to decide if her future is with ag education. Right now, she's interested in ag communication.
I think, communications is something people overlook a lot, especially marketing. So I have definitely thought about being an ag teacher. I think being an FFA advisor for other kids would be something I would really enjoy.
Whatever path she takes, Caitlyn is clearly building a strong foundation for the future at NCTA.